Now see here some more interesting patterns. Adding triangular numbers. Do you remember triangular numbers? Numbers whose dot pattern can be arranged as triangles. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Here the difference is 2. Here is 3. Here is 4. Here is 5. So next difference will be 6. That means 15 plus 6, 21. I have arranged in this way. So next will be 7, 28, and next will be 36. Then next will be 45, and then 10, 55. Now add these two numbers. 3 plus 1, 4. That means 2 square. Say 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 3 square. 6 plus 10, 4 square. 10 plus 15, 5 square. 15 plus 21, 6 square. 21 plus 28, 7 square. 28 plus 36, 8 square. This plus this, 9 square, and this plus this, 10 square. So you can see here they have arranged in this way. 1. So already 3 flowers are here, and 1 flowers if we will keep here. So total number of flowers will be 4, then 2 square. So 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 6, 9, 6 plus 10 in this way. Now numbers between square numbers. See here, let us now see if we can find some interesting pattern between two consecutive square numbers. Okay, two consecutive square numbers. 1 square, 1. 2 square, 4. So between 1 and 4, two consecutive numbers are 2, 3. So two non-square numbers between the two square numbers. These are non-squares. We can't find such that numbers if we will square of that number and we are getting 2. Same way 3. Now 2 square, 3 square. So between 4 and 9, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 non-squares number. Between 9 and 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 squares between the two square numbers. Okay. Now here 6 non-square numbers between the two square numbers. 8 non-square numbers between the two square numbers between 16 and 25. Okay. Now 1 square, 2 square, 4. So 2 non-squares number 2 and 3. 4 and 9. 4. So what we can do? 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. So 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Let us check. 3 square, 4 square. So 3 3s are 9. So between 9 and 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means whatever subtraction we are getting from the square number, less than 1 number we are getting. Now between 9 square, 4 square, the numbers are this. That means 6 non-square numbers which is less than 1, the difference of two square numbers. We have 25 minus 16, 9. So less than 1, that means 8 non-square numbers between 16 and 25. Let us count 16 and 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you will do? Whatever difference you are getting of square numbers and subtracting, whatever answer you are getting after subtracting less than 1 non-square numbers between the two square numbers. So consider 7 square, 6 square. 7 7s are 49. 6 6 are 36. So I am writing here 49 minus 36. That means 13. And less than 1 is 12 non-square numbers will be between 6 square and 7 square. So let us count. 6 6 are 36. So 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. 49 is a square number, so getting 12. So this is formula we got. Clear? So formula is what? 7 square minus 6 square. Suppose that 7 is n plus 1. That means 6 plus 1. This I will teach you on the green board. Find the between n square and n plus 1 square. There are two n numbers which is less than 1. The difference of two square numbers. Thus in general we can say that there are two n non-perfect square numbers between the squares of the numbers n and n plus. Check for n equal to 5, n equal to 6, etc. If n equal to 5, so 2n, 2 5s are 10. So I will teach you on the green board this formula.